In today's fast-paced world, it's easy for men to overlook their health amidst the demands of everyday life. But what if there was a simple way to support prostate health and overall well-being? Introducing Prostan Plus, a multi-ingredient dietary supplement meticulously crafted to promote prostate health. Prostan Plus contributes to the maintenance of healthy prostate function, supports normal urinary function, and enhances the comfort of urination in men. Its high effectiveness is derived from a unique blend of up to 12 carefully selected ingredients. Regular use of Prostan Plus can help regain male energy, improve fertility, and maintain normal sexual functions. Prostan Plus is more than just a supplement, it's a commitment to prioritizing men's health in today's modern world. Take the first step towards a healthier future with Prostan Plus. Your prostate health matters.